Hello and welcome. My name is Martin Kratky. I'm one of the founders of the Managerial Acterys group. We are super excited to support the Power BI Summit. Managerial is a gold partner for a data platform and has worked with Power BI from the start. Our product arm Acterys is the developer of an integrated framework that covers data model automation as well as very comprehensive planning and financial reporting features that are seamlessly integrated in Power BI and Excel. We are currently one of the fastest growing providers of extended planning and analytics solutions with worldwide recognition, most importantly by our 700 plus global customers. Acterys includes the Aquarius Modeler, a cloud-based application where users can sign up in 2 minutes online, but it's also available as an on-premise server. It enables business users to automate data integration as well as building and maintaining data models to exactly their needs. It includes best practice logic and workflow templates to cover typical performance management and financial reporting requirements, from time dimension handling, automated currency rates and conversion, as well as advanced financial consolidation requirements. On the front-end side, Acterys includes 8 Power BI custom visuals listed on app source, ensuring security and fit for purpose. The Acterys apps are ready-made end-to-end solutions that include a star schema data warehouse, the Power BI model and calculations, as well as a set of best practice reports and planning forms for a variety of ERP, accounting, and software as a service systems. Last but not least, our new Power BI Sync application, a Windows or a cloud-based service that allows you to plan and enable any Power BI models and also synchronize your Power BI models with SQL Server data warehouses. You can see more at our booth at the Power BI Summit and our Q&A events on the 20th of April, and we're really looking forward to see you all there.